And welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how to replace this Toyota's brake master cylinder, and this is really this part, there's also clutch, and how I can replace this device. Firstly, I have to disconnect these cables, those all brake hoses in this outer area, and then I need to take also inner bolts away. Okay, and there is really this nice metallic pin what is like in that area, and then when I use my pliers I can pull out this locking steel pin. Okay, good. And then there is this steel bolt in that way, very nice engineering, and then after that these upper parts, this clutch joint is free, and then in this down area we can see 1 and 2 bolts, but I open that one and that one I open next. Okay, and for that opening I need 12mm socket and this, and then longer bar, and I install my tool in here, and then I need a wrench that I rotate that next. Okay, and now I use electric impact driver, and first nut opens, very nice nut, and then second is there. It opens also, good, and there is this upper U, there is spring, and now I check that how this moves. There is 1 bolt left in, and let's check that where it is. Okay, and here is brake pedal, and there is also metallic pin and 12mm bolt, 1 in here, second, third, and then fourth is in here, like a little bit hidden in here. And when I take these 4 bolts away, then this brake pedal is free. Okay, and now when I have take all of these 4 bolts away, now my brake pedal, it is free, and in here we can see those 4 bolts. 2, 3, and 4 in here, and now this brake pedal is really free, only this one electric cable in here, and I take that. Okay, now it opens. There we can see this brake pedal. Okay, looks good. Very heavy duty model. And there is then this brake system. When we brake that, then our brakes works like inner area. Okay, and soon we can learn also this thing. Okay, and then when I start this job, first thing is that I need this shape head 10mm wrench that I can open these bolts in here, in that way, and then I need 14mm shape head that I can open these bolts. And let's go to look closer when I open these bolts. It's nice this 10mm bolts, and there is my shape head, and we really need this shape head tools because otherwise we can damage these nuts and then we have difficulties to install this back, and we can purchase these shape head tools in any car spare part hardware store. And now this bolt is almost free in that way, and then I open this below areas bolt also, and then when these nuts are moving totally free, like in that way, this is like good point. Now this bolt is free, and then I open also the lower part, and we can soon see this result. Then we can see that how I open these upper bolts. This is 14mm shape head tool, and using that tool this opening happens easily, and when I have taken that bolt away, we can look that how we do next. Then note that there is this brake fluid is draining out, that we have to install this green canister. There is, and now when we look what bolts I open, this is this 14mm bolts, and then in here we have two of these 10mm bolts, and there is second, it's also free, and then in this area I open also this one 14mm bolt, and now this I think that then there is this hose what I need to also open. Okay, there is this connection point, and now I have long pliers, and I remove that, and then this hose opens easily in that way. And then when we are taking this master cylinder, we have to open also inside areas bolts also. There happens so that firstly we have to remove this brake pedal connection in here, and then there is 1, 2, 3, 4 nuts. They look like in this one what I have to remove in here, 12mm. And after that, this our master cylinder is easy to remove, and then we can go to look at how I pull out this system. And now I am taking this my master cylinder away. Firstly I take this cable in here, second cable in here, and then I carefully pull out, and there is one electric cable in that area, and let's look at how the system comes out. And now there is small break, that one steel frame where are those 10mm bolts, and I have to remove that steel frame, this part in here next. Okay, and then I open these bolts. First one. Second. And now this frame opens in here. Good. And then I can continue this my master cylinder removal. Then there is this electric cable in here. Let's look that one. like warning light in this part, and this opens so that I press this back area, and now master cylinder is more free. Okay, and now I can take this my master cylinder. Now it is totally free in here. Okay, and now we can look that closer what this master cylinder looks like. There are those 4 bolts, and then there are this 10 mm bolt connection, and then in that area also 10 mm. Here is 14 mm and 14 mm, and then 2 of these hoses, one in here and second one in that position. And now this master cylinder, it is free, and we can see that maker is TRW, and there is this TRW and Toyota's logo. Okay, cool. And then we can even disassemble these parts more if we like to disassemble these things.